This is my third workshop with Brad, and he's just amazing. The workshops are so effective. Brad is so compassionate and insightful about really getting to the root of your issues, but he does it in just such a compassionate way. Like you never feel bad. You just walk out feeling amazing, and yeah, and he's also really funny. So the whole workshop was a lot of fun.
I followed Brad on YouTube and through his Tappers Club for a number of years. I found him to be one of the most effective tapping gurus out there, and I wanted to see him in 3 dimensions instead of just flat through my computer screen. So I came today and had a marvelous experience. It's as terrific as tapping is and his videos are, to see the 3-dimension and the group spirit is a phenomenal experience, and I feel like I had a massive booster shot of positivity today, and I'm really grateful for it.
And we just took a workshop called Success Beyond Belief with Brad Yates, and it's truly about what our beliefs are that are holding us back. And he's easy to work with, he's really accessible, he includes the entire group in the process. He makes the process of tapping really easy, and it is just filled with humor and fun throughout the day.
Great. Is this your first one? Or
This is my first workshop with him, but I've used his YouTube channel over the summer, and I felt like it would be really great to do it in a group with other people, and it was really fun doing it in a group.
What are like 3 of the top benefits that you got from this?
Understanding how I can hold myself back through these false beliefs that may have been with me from childhood, and also understanding, like with Brad, he's like so about the self-compassion and understanding the human condition, that there's really nothing that is like an obstacle with him. He's just able to make it really light and really easy to look at what it's like to be human, and that we have so much more potential to be more of ourselves than we are.
Came here today all the way from Redding, California down to San Jose because I follow Brad online, and I also use tapping in my private practice, and it's been really effective. And the thing that I appreciated most about today was Brad's ability to really listen to each and every one of the participants that was here and really customize he customized tappings for each one of us. It was also something that really could speak to the whole entire group. So that was one of my favorite things here. I'm just so grateful that I was able to come and that he continues to do this work, and that's why I'm here.
Why did you start tapping?
I started tapping because of anxiety and my own anxiety, and it was quite a few years ago that I started tapping. And then as a PhD student in mind-body medicine, we also used a lot of tapping in there, so it just reinforced it. The thing I love most about Brad is that he's so authentic in his tapping, and sometimes it can seem scripted, but he always is just him. And that's really something that attracted me to his work.
Brad on YouTube. I had found EFT quite a few years ago. Probably found Brad maybe 8 years ago on YouTube, and I just really enjoyed his style. So I had a lot of EFT and tapping experts that I was following, and Brad just seemed to resonate most with me, or resonate most with Brad's style, and decided to really utilize his work. And what I appreciate is he has so many different offerings, not only from cravings or hurt feelings, thoughts, sadness, happiness, unexpected things. So I really found things that I was looking for within his work.
I'm a high-tech executive, and I have to say that tapping with Brad has been super effective for me to stay focused and really be the best that I could be. I've tried different types of tapping and different types of EFT, and this is probably the most effective method that I found. Really enjoying it, recommend it to everybody.
I think I'm walking out of here feeling really powerful, just owning my power and feeling pretty awesome. Yeah.
The thing that sparked me for me that was new, is that I have a successful business. It's continuing to grow, and that I did have some fear around even more success, and was really able to tap through that. And that's going to just equal my own business to become more expansive and to reach more women all over the world. So when I say I was able to tap through that, was he was able to walk me through a tapping process and actually doing the steps of tapping through being afraid of my continued success. And so after I was done with that series of tapping, I was then able to take a breath and not be so anxious about pursuing my business the way I want to.
Oh my gosh, so this is my second workshop with Brad, and he's the only person I've actually learned EFT through, and he's also the person like where I've just been practicing EFT on his YouTube videos, and it's just been so fun and nourishing. The workshop, all his videos, yeah, it's actually great to be here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What are some of the benefits that you get out of it?
For me, I would say like I'm really learning a different way of healing myself. I'm also learning a way to really own my own power and just come into my own being. And yeah, learning how to have fun. That's a big benefit for me.
And what would you say to someone who's never done this?
Give it a try and you'll be surprised at how powerful it is.
What would you say to someone who's
Yeah, just, I mean, come here to figure out how awesome you are and just really step into, yeah, like your extraordinariness and your awesomeness.
All right, thank you.
Yeah,
That was
thank
easy,
you.
right?
Yeah.